In this video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create a local administrator account in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So firstly, we need to bring up our settings. So how we can do so, navigate here at the bottom search bar, type for settings. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until a best match would appear in this window, and once it's here, please click on open to continue. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So from here, please navigate to the left side of that. You can see there a list of the option. Please locate with accounts. And under it, you can see there account settings. Please navigate on the list. Scroll down on the list, and navigate to other users. So you can see there an option where you can add other user. Please click on add account and wait until this kind of window would appear, which is your Microsoft account window. So just a moment, please wait for just a moment since it's getting ready for us. So please click on I don't have this person sign in information, and please wait again until you can continue. So click on add a user without Microsoft account, and it will ask you who's going to use this PC. So just type the name of the PC, name on who's going to use this PC. And if you would like to enter a password, you can go ahead. In my case, I'm leaving it unchecked since I don't want to. So that way, you have just successfully created a local account. But if you would like to create a local administrator account out of this one, you need to click on this down arrow key and go with change account type, and from here, you can see their account type. Click on this down arrow key and go with administrator. Please click on OK. And in that way, you have just successfully created a local administrator account in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, so by that, you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.